Hello everybody, NASCAR Man 73 here, bringing you guys the King of the Drag Cars 3. If I can get it to focus. There we go, King of the Drag Cars 3. Good God, it will not focus, holy shit. Is that better? Yeah, that might be better. So we're going to jump straight into it with the rubber tires. We have the Hoonigan 55 Bel Air Gasser and the 70 Charger. For rubber tires.
Winner, lane 2.
Problem solved. There's a stink bug on it. There's stink bugs all over here today. I don't know what it is. That one's... he's dangling. There we go. This takes out the charger from... that eliminates charger's chances. It might come down to a gasser v gasser again. Now we have Matco Gold versus Matco Black and White. Marks, set, go.
Winner, lane 2.
By a long shot, it's Matco Black and White. As you guys see, I have the 6 line set up, or we'll be doing something with that shortly in the near future. Alright, this will decide who takes on the king. Will it be the gasser, or will it be Matco Black and White? Mark, set, go. That's the line, it's going to be the gasser.
Winner, lane 2.
Looks like KB's going to, Ken Block, he's going to get a chance at redemption, maybe. Alright, it'll be a one and done. Your marks, get set, go. Oh!
Winner, lane 2.
We have a new king. Comet Racing has been knocked off of his throne. A new king has emerged. It will be Ken Block's Hoonigan 55 Gasser. Taking it. Alright. That does it for the rubber tires. Now we say we get into the plastic tires. You guys should know how it works by now. One truck will get a single, we have 3 trucks, so one of them will get a single pass. We have Holland 40, and we have the Chevy Pro Truck. Holland 40 gaps them.
Winner, lane 2.
Gets stopped at the tree. Alright. Comp cams, all comp cams have to do is get to the finish. With ease.
Winner, lane 3.
Alright, will it be Holland 40 or will it be comp cams? This will decide it. Repping the trucks, it will be comp cams. Alright. Kind of sad I have to use my flash to keep this one going like this. Alright, so that'll be your truck representation. Now who the trucks will take on, we don't know yet. We're fixing to find out. We have Don, the Snake Prudhomme, up against the Hot Wheels Mustang. Funny car. Mark, set, go. Oh, not even close. Something happened with Don Prudhomme. The snake is down. The snake has been dethroned. Don't know why I'm putting them there. I'll go right there. Alright, now we have King Kenny Bernstein. He said something wrong with his wheel there. Hold up. Alright. Hold up. Alright, I believe I got the issue fixed. We have King Kenny Bernstein up against the Hershey's Funny Car. Set, go. The Hershey's, wow, the Hershey's Funny Car is fast.
3.
King Kenny has been dethroned. Next up, we have the number 3 team, Bosquick, I think, Funny Car, up against the Bonneville Bullet. This is for the retro Funny Cars. We have newer Funny Cars too, but this is for the retros. Mark, set, go. It's close. Bonneville Bullet
Lane 3.
will get it at the line. It's the Bonneville Bullet. Alright, one of these, the Bonneville Bullet will get a free pass. The Mustang up against Hershey's Funny Car. Hershey's Funny Car gaps them.
Lane 3.
Alright. All the Bonneville Bullet has to do is make it to the end. And will successfully.
Lane 2.
It's going to be Hershey's versus Bonneville Bullet. One and done. Winner will face up against the truck. At the line, it's going to be Hershey's.
Winner. Lane 2.
Bonneville Bullet doesn't have enough to get it done. Hershey's will rep. Alright, now time for the newer Funny Cars. We have the Hot Wheels Firebird versus Slick and Mustang. Mark, set, go. Not even close. Slick does it, but was kind of slow about doing it. Don't know, both cars might have encountered an issue there. Not entirely too sure. Alright. Now we get the white Hot Wheels Mustang and this white Hot Wheels generic Funny Car. The Mustang will get it.
Lane 3.
It will be the Mustang at the line. Alright. Now we have Hot Wheels number 5 Mustang up against Thorny Graves. Wow, not even close. Gaps. So, wow, not even close at all. Complete blowout there. 3 Mustangs. Only one can win. Your marks. Get set. Go. Kind of close there. But Slick gets it. Knocks the white Hot Wheels Mustang off of its high horse. Now all the Hot Wheels 5 has to do is make it to the end, which he will do successfully. It'll be Slick versus Hot Wheels Mustang 5. Marks, set, go. 5 gaps him.
Lane 3.
Not even a real competition there, the 5. Hot Wheels Mustang 5 gets it. Alright, moving on to the next class. This is like the pro stocks, street stocks. We have Wild Willie Racing up against 49er. On your marks, get set, go. 49er gets it.
Winner, lane 3.
Wild Willie Racing, first one out for this class. 49er goes on. Now we have Chevy Volt up against Phil's Burner. Chevy Volt and Phil's Burner. Chevy Volt will get it.
Winner, lane 2.
And I'm sorry if I'm not catching the finishes. I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Alright. We have these two pro stock cars or something like that. Marks, set, go. Wow, really fast that red car is. Holy hell. Very quick. Now we have Moon Eyes Pro Stock versus Jaded. And it will be Jaded.
Winner, lane 3.
Another Hot Wheels number 5 Mustang up against a number 6 Pontiac. At the line, wow, really close. It will be the Mustang. Very close. That was a good old-fashioned drag race. Alright, now we have Pictionary Pro Stock Camaro up against another Pontiac Grand Prix. It will be the Pictionary Camaro.
Winner, lane 2.
Alright. Dodge Neon up against the Hot Wheels Pro Stock Camaro. The Neon gaps them.
Winner, lane 2.
Not even close. Now we have this Pro Stock Firebird up against another Pro Stock Firebird. Just a little bit different. Mark, set, go. Really close, but in the end, it will be Matt and Debbie Hayes Pro Stock Firebird. So that's a metal on metal. That was a pretty fast car. Alright. We have 49er up against Chevy Volt. At the line, it will be the Chevy Volt.
Winner, lane 3.
Chevy Volt will get it. No, whatever that car is, I don't quite know. Feel free to tell me in the comments below what that one is. It's up against Jaded. Wins it.
Lane 2.
Absolutely gaps him. It wasn't even really a competition there. All right, number 5 Mustang up against the Camaro. Not even close. The Camaro will lose
Lane 2.
to the number 5 Mustang. Mustang seems to be pretty quick. Alright, Neon up against Matt and Debbie Hayes. Thunderbird. Called that Firebird earlier. It's a Thunderbird. I made a mistake. Call that Firebird. It's a Thunderbird. But it doesn't matter. The Neon beats it. Alright, here's your semifinals for this group, this division. Chevy Volt up against whatever that car is. I think it's the MK Pro 1 or something like that. And it will win. Blistering speeds. Takes out the Volt. Now, will it be the Neon or will it be the Mustang? Dodge versus Ford. It'll be the Neon. The Neon so fast that he flies off over here. It'll be the Neon versus whatever that car is. Who's going to get it at the line? Mark, set, go. This car will be repping the Press Stock division. Alright. Project Speeder versus Project Speeder. 53 versus red. It'll be the orange one. 53. Alright, you got the pink champion up against the Copo Camaro. Works. Set. Go. The Copo comes back on him for the win. All right. So there's your first matchup. Now we have the Willis up against Mosquito. At the line, photo finish, it's the Willis. Wow. And beautiful sparkle in that car. Crushed up metal flake or crushed up pearl. It's very beautiful. Now we have the Camaro up against a fan favorite, the McDonald's car. Oh. And he's a fan favorite. It's the first round exit. How sad. I don't know why, but a bunch of people like this McDonald's car. I think it's just because it's so just out there. Alright. We have this Bel Air up against the Pacer. And the Bel Air will get it. And that Bel Air is the Racing Champions. So we have some different representation here from all these Hot Wheels. We have our Racing Champions. We'll have to wait and see. All right. Project Speeder number 2 up against whatever that car is. Not even close. It will be the Project Speeder. Project Speeders are always really fast. Really fast casting, really fun casting. Alright. Sox and Martin up against the black Project Speeder. Blind. Sox and Martin got a jump on him, but wasn't able to finish it off. Comes back. Sox and Martin is out. That Project Speeder will get a bye run too. There's a Copo Camaro and Project Speeder. Project Speeder will gap him. All right, the Willis versus the Camaro. The Willis is our fan favorite. And he gets taken out by the Camaro.
Winner, lane 3.
Will Racing Champions stay in it, or will it come down to just Hot Wheels? Project Speeder versus at Bel Air. It's gonna be just Hot Wheels.
Winner, lane 3.
Project Speeder, again, another one going so fast that it goes off and flips. Alright, all this Project Speeder has to do is finish. All it's gotta do is get to the finish. And it will.
Lane 2.
3 Project Speeders and a Camaro. Will there be an upset? Marks, set, go. Looks like it, maybe no.
Winner, lane 2.
Yes, no. The Project Speeder. Looks like the Camaro had him. Project Speeder just barely was able to come back. Alright. Black or purple, place your bets. It'll be the black one.
Winner, lane 3.
Alright. 53 versus black. Orange and black. The black one.
Winner,
We'll get it.
lane 3.
And will be another one to fly off over there. Very quick. Alright, now it's time for the gassers. We have this white Cruise Bruiser up against the Holly Bel Air. Cruise Bruiser.
Winner, lane 2.
Now we will have another Cruise Bruiser with the pink wheels up against the, I think, the Land Rover. Not even close.
Winner, lane 2.
It's another Cruise Bruiser. And one of these will get a buy run. We have 2 passing gassers, a blue and a green. It's the green one. Getting it done. That green one will get a buy run next round. Alright, 2 Cruise Bruisers. Lane 3 will get it. This one with the pink wheels. Thing is wild looking. Alright. All passing gas has to do is get to the finish. And he will.
Winner, lane 3.
Between Cruise Bruiser and passing gasser. Marks, set, go. Not even close. It will be Cruise Bruiser.
Winner, lane 2.
We'll be repping the gassers. And we're done. Alright. Now it's time for Alter Ego up against Diaper Dragger. Moving on from the gassers, now we're on to the top fuel dragsters. These are the really good ones. The ones that everybody's all hyped up for, always. Alright. Marks, set, go. At the line, wow. It's going to be the traditional
Lane 2.
getting by. Stars and bars. Mad fast. Alright. Now we have Clone Hawk Up against another Altered Ego. Mark, set, go. Oh, we come back on him for a photo finish. Altered Ego barely wins it. Photo finish at the line. Altered Ego up against this one. Old Traditional. Altered Ego gaps him. Absolutely destroys him. He is out of here. Alright, all this Altered Ego has to do is make it to the end. But you will. Make sure the flash was still on. Yeah, flash is still on. Alright, Altered Ego versus Altered Ego. Monsters Inc. Altered Ego wins it. And we'll be repping the Top Fuel Dragsters. Oh boy, it's raining. That's fun. Alright. Now we get to the fun part. They all race each other. The classes go at it. We have Comp Cam's truck versus Hershey's Funny Car. Mark, set, go. And the Hershey's Funny Car will gap them. It's a good run, trucks. It's a good run. This one will be interesting. I'm excited to see how this one goes. Funny Car versus whatever in the world that thing is. The thing wins it. It's starting to rain, guys. It's starting to rain a little bit. Oh, Altered Ego's gonna get a free pass. We have Project Speeder versus the Gasser, Cruisin' Bruiser. And the line's gonna be Project Speeder getting it. That takes out the Gassers. And all Altered Ego has to do is get to the finish. Which he will.
Winner, lane 2.
Alright, the Funny Car, Hershey's Funny Car up against whatever that thing is. Marks, set, go. The Funny Car will get it. But it was a valiant run from whatever this thing is. Valiant run indeed. Don't know who would challenge the T-Rex Funny Car. Altered Ego versus Project Speeder. It's Altered Ego!
Winner, lane 3.
Altered Ego wins it. And takes out Project Speeder. Put him up there. Alright. It's a one and done. Project Speeder, or not Project Speeder, Hershey's Funny Car versus Altered Ego. Marks, set, go. It's the Funny Car.
Winner, lane 2.
Alright. Once again, it'll be Funny Cars to duke it out. But place your bets. Who will win? T-Rex Funny Car or the Hershey's Funny Car? On your marks, get set, go. Ladies and gentlemen, after two different king of the drag cars, we have a new king. The Hershey's Funny Car is your new king of the drag cars. Brand new king of the drag cars. It's a Hershey's Funny Car. Very beautiful. Very beautiful car. Take a look at that interior. The exterior, obviously. Hershey's. Very cool. And now will sit up atop the throne. Nobody made any predictions. So, we have no new people. So, hopefully, I'll be able to be different or change or something. But, here's a look at your two kings. Little funny cars. Funny car is the Hershey's. It's your plastic tire can of drag car, and your rubber tire is like Hoonigan Gasser. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you guys see more like this, please consider subscribing. I'm doing some road racing videos now too. Upload those. As you guys saw earlier today, I uploaded a Pumu Talladega. Just crash compilation basically. Me racing with the AI. So yeah. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. And this will be NASCAR Man 73 signing off with our two new kings.